Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Menteri Rangba ng Jela Conrad Kongkal Sangma haka arpenyo trik rumpang arjar arpo ula Pynhap Perdano ya ka Jingrakhe dap arpesan Snem jong Umpohliew Jingtip High Secondary School kabadan haka senong Nongbsap kabadang hap apo soyong konstituensi harangkat ke Jingdon lang jong MLA ke soyong konstituensi ba Samlian Malngiang ubadairu menteri jong Sorkar Jela sekretari ke Managing Committee uba Jet Kurba ki officer sorkar ki kemi ki pa bat ki kena school hakni sngi menteri rangba ula pleru ya maunong rim kom shibenta ka jing ple ya ka jing school ka bathamai ka bala yo jingirap na ka Ministry of Tribal Affairs jong ka sorkar India ka bakot shiklor tingka lapin phupin pheng ya kini ka Jingrakhe da ki jingpin bernya na ki kena school bat ki no hikai jong ni school.
I can only imagine the different kind of challenges that the managing committee and the people who started the school must have faced in the past 25 years. But I'm very sure that when the people who are behind this school will look back at the journey of the 25 years, the ups and downs that you faced, I'm sure looking back today, there will be a sense of deep satisfaction in your hearts and in your minds to see how far the school has come. But more importantly, the difference that you have made in the children's lives, the difference that you have made in this village and in this area, and the kind of changes that you will make in the coming years. I'm reminded of one very, very important proverb that my late father and our great leader, late Shri Sangma, always believed in. He used to tell us, and it's a proverb that is very well known, but he used to tell us that if your vision is for 1 year, nurture flowers. Because if you plant flowers, then within 1 year you will get the return. If your vision is for 10 years, then plant trees that bear fruit. Because after 10 years, when you grow the tree, you will bear fruits after 10 years. But if your vision is for eternity, then plant people. Because when you plant people, then forever, for eternity, you will keep getting the results and the fruits. Is that if you want your society and your state and your people to move forward, invest in education. Invest in educational institutions. Invest in buildings like these. Invest in all the possibilities that you can to ensure that you nurture people, that you plant people. And that is the only way that our society will move forward.
Ini sekolah Umpohliew Jingtip, kumbang item, kadang sedang kam hadir. Habai rujuk lagi baik sekolah. Kadang sedang kat kendai sepak, kendai pusan. Hang tu opor, ngaruh awan sekolah hang tepok terang yam. Ya kaya kabar kan mau, wei ni kena kelas jonga. Ubah pulelang, bat ulaum, bangan mansu, sedih strong yam. Namar kelapli kini ke sekolah Umpohliew Jingtip hapok senong lajong hapok Nongbsap. Batu kau perlok bentar ulalong pastor. Karena sultanan kumsi perlok walangi midadoro. Akan mau yang jipli jong ni ke sekolah. Haus dam kat naik pak naik pusan. Nalong sa mau cah. Ya kaya ke bagani ke sekolah ke train. Oi, kamdai ke tasuk ban penyanyi ke sekolah. Ban siu tulok, ban yok kini kai ke babha. Kumno ban ai chi kai ki khna kamdai ke basuk ya apa harai kum unong senge ke skul latrai chitam ban ma ki jinge bakalong tik kum to brio bo phong ni juti utiap banang no uprek uthar te kum jo ru ki no pnya skul ki sam ya ta jinge harai ki long ni bayaisa bat kumbakalong manta banten jopat sya uwe maumen bahkan dap arposan Snem kalalong ka history ya kane ka school hi barok kawin ka buram barok ka lecture play wa ai ta tinang gesta ya ki do punya school badu trajan school bat ki nonikai bat ki kenasel kalalong kumne kumalong deling ba ki don ti tu
Time has gone and time has passed. 25 years of their journey has gone. A milestone that forever lasts.
Di kaki macam tanah kasih itu.
As we look behind, we feel we are so blessed.